were poor. They had no money for food, so Jack took their cow to market to sell her. On the way, Jack met a man who showed him some magic beans. Jack swapped his cow for the beans. Jack's mother was very angry. She threw the beans out of the window and sent Jack to bed. The next morning, there was a tall beanstalk outside the window. Jack climbed up the beanstalk. There was a castle at the top of the beanstalk. Inside, Jack found a sleeping giant with piles of gold in front of him. Jack took the gold and climbed down the beanstalk. The next day, Jack climbed up the beanstalk again and found a beautiful golden harp and a golden hen laying golden eggs. He took the harp and the hen, but the harp began to sing, "Master, Master." The giant woke up. Fee-fo-fum, watch out now, here I come. The giant shouted. Jack got an axe and chopped down the beanstalk. The giant couldn't get down, and Jack and